What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something pretty extravagant. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is, but I want to bring y'all along with my journey. So it involves going somewhere. As you can tell, I'm outside about to get in my car, and maybe as you can tell from the title what I'm going to do, but I'm going to try and keep it a surprise. So let's get going and see what extravagant thing I'm about to do. Okay, sorry for the awkward camera angle. I am pulling up. Oh, now I'm going under a bridge, so it's dark. But anyways, I am pulling up to my destination, and I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to see what I'm about to do and why I'm gonna do it. I think the reason why I'm gonna do it makes it a whole lot better of what I'm gonna be doing. Alright, so I will see you guys inside. Alright, you guys, you guessed it, I'm at the hair salon and I will be doing a big change to my hair. Alrighty, so I'm going to cover y'all for a little bit and I'll see y'all at the very end. Step one of my process, cut off a crap ton. Alright, we got some more craziness going on, more excitement. I'm excited to see the end product and show you guys the end product. So crazy. I did it, huge transformation. My hair is short. Like, oh my god, I just cut off like 10 or 11 inches. I cannot believe it. And I lightened it. So crazy. I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm horrible. It's because I'm just looking at my hair. But I cut off all my hair. I can't believe it. I'm going to set you guys down right here real quick so I can show you. My hair is literally, I cut off as much as I have on my head. So the reason behind me cutting it off, I'm going to start driving. So the reason behind me cutting it off is I have so much hair. It's very thick. Do y'all see? Oh my gosh, I still can't get over it. But anyways, I have a lot of hair. It grows so fast. And a thought came into my mind probably about a month ago that not only did I want something different with my hair, but I really wanted to donate it. I think it's awesome that I get to give my hair to someone that needs it more than I do, because I'm blessed that my hair will be able to grow back, and I wanted to give it to someone who needed it. So I'm donating my hair to an organization for children. So a little girl or a little boy, however they make my hair, but I think with how long it was, they're gonna make it long. So a little kid gets to have my hair, and it just really, it makes me feel really good that I am doing something to help someone out, because I can't donate blood, I don't weigh enough, but I just feel like I wanted to do something to help someone out, help someone that needs it. But yeah, I just think it's so awesome that I can help someone and give a little girl some hair. So I'm really excited to donate it. But I am going to get off of here for a little bit since I'm driving, and I will talk with you guys a little bit more whenever I get home. But I just had to show y'all because I am just so excited with how it came out. I'm super excited. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright, I got my hair in a cute little like half up, half down clip. It's so weird to have short hair. I mean, I guess I don't know. I guess it's still considered, it's medium length. I don't know. To me, it's like extra short now, since I'm used to having it down to my hips. But as you guys can tell, I just got to my house. I'm leaving my house now. I'm turning this into like a little vlog because I didn't get much footage in the salon, just because my mom came too, because she had her hair appointment. We were all talking, laughing, and I couldn't get that much footage in there. And also, you know, like your hands are all under that little tarp that they have. So I didn't get too much footage there. But now I am heading to class. I'm taking my final of chemistry. That way I can apply to the RN program later. So, but anyways, onto my hair. I couldn't get much footage in there, so this is turning into a vlog. But, so I trust my hairdresser like 100% completely because it's one of my mom's best friends. And he's literally the best. I wouldn't have trusted anyone else to chop all my hair off, because if anyone else out there has long hair, you know how I feel and what I am like. I don't know, you just know, like, you get so attached to your hair because you've been growing it out for so long. I really need a better stand for this. I'm just holding it right now. But you just get attached to it for so long, and it's just a weird feeling, like. So anyways, I trust him 100%. I am so happy with the end result. I think it looks amazing. He lightened it up to like perfect for summer. We're about to go on vacation, and I started a new job, so I'm just like, I have a whole bunch of new everything. Anyways, I am heading to class now. I'm gonna study for my final for a little bit before I go inside, but I just wanted to get you guys back on here and just tell y'all I love my hair. I'm just talking so much, but I'm just so excited. It's just such a huge change. Like, my hair is so thick. Go look at my how I tame my curls video and you can see how thick my hair is, and it was long in that video, so you can see how long and thick, and it just feels so much lighter. It's so much healthier. I'm just so happy with how it came out. It looks so good. So good. Yep, now I'm heading to class for some chemistry. Wish me guys luck. No, wish me luck, you guys, not wish me guys. Oh, I can't even talk right now. But anyways, I started a new job, y'all, so I'm gonna be working night shifts. So crazy, like literally there's so much new going on with me. I finished school, got a new job, I'm gonna work overnights. So I'm gonna have to bring y'all along with me of like a day in the life of a nurse. I like show y'all how night shifts work, because it's gonna be new for me, so I'm gonna bring y'all along with me so y'all can experience the night shifts, the graveyard shift with me. Alright, I'm off and rambling about everything, but I am about to pull up to class, so I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye guys. So I just finished my final. I am heading home to go eat and just relax now that I'm finally done with this class. Really hope I get an A. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. So anyways, I'm finally done. I'm still feel so weird with my short hair. But I'm super excited that it is going to, like, for a good cause. So that is the reason I donated it. I have done this actually quite a few times. I donated my hair only once before, which I should have done it two more other times, but I've donated my hair one other time. Whenever I was younger, I donated, I want to say about 12 inches also. Yeah, about 12 inches, 12, 13. And then today I cut off about 11 and a half, close to 12 inches, because it's longer than the piece of paper that's of like the donating slip. So it's longer than that piece of paper. So I know I donated over 11. And then I have, like, probably 4 years ago, I did another really big chop, and I went to the salon in the mall, and the lady was like so rude. So I didn't donate my hair. I was kind of lost. I was hoping she would help me, and she was just like, we don't take hair anymore. You have to figure it out yourself, and honestly, your hair might be too damaged. You won't even be able to donate. And I was like, okay. But anyways, so I probably chopped my hair off like 3 times to get like this length. So super crazy change and really fun to just do something different, especially if your hair grows and you can donate it because it goes to people that need it. Alright guys, I'm headed home. I will end the vlog at home because I've had a lot of car talk. So I will get back to you guys when I get home. I'll see you later. Alright guys, I'm home. I know the lighting is so bad because of the, you know, like the yellow lights or whatever, but I wanted to show you how much hair I cut off in comparison to like my hand and this piece of paper. So let me just show you. That is how much I cut off. So a sheet of paper is like 11 inches in length, and I cut more than that. Crazy that this is my hair and that was on my head. All that was on my head. It blows my mind. So that is my paper, so I can donate it to my little girl. Babe's here. What's up guys? I am horrible. I forgot to end the vlog. It's super late at night. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm a little exhausted, but as you can tell, my hair is curly. I'm wearing a different shirt because it's a completely different day. But thank you guys for coming along my journey with me as I've donated like 12 inches of my hair and chopping it all off. It was really fun. So I'm so glad that I got to bring you guys along. If any of y'all have long hair and are thinking about chopping it all off, then you definitely should donate it because there's a lot of people out there that need it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Well, today I'm going to be going over the Too Faced Cat Eyes palette, how I incorporated that and the Milani